Hello students, welcome once again in MA Part 2nd, subject English, CBCS pattern in semester 3 and 4 from the academic year 2020 and 21. On the behalf of the Department of English, KGS College and the HOD, I welcome Assistant Professor Khandijod. So today we are going to see the syllabus of MA Part 2nd, subjects and question paper format. So as you have in MA Part 1st there were 4 subjects. In the semester you will have the 4 subjects. Paper number 1, that is paper 3.1, Indian writing in English, that is core paper. Second, paper number 3.4, Indian literatures in English translation. Paper number 3, that is paper number 3.6, American literature. Paper 3.8, world literature in English. The same paper will be in semester 4, that is last semester, only numbers will be changed. So first of all we are going to see the syllabus, paper number 3.1, that is Indian writing in English, core paper. In semester 3 there will be 4 units for semester 3. Unit number 1, Kantapura, it is a novel by Raja Rao. Unit number 2, Nectar in a Sea, Kamla Markande. Unit number 3, Derizio to Naidu, it is a poetry section. Unit number 3 is a poetry section. Henry Derizio, poems Freedom to the Slave and The Orphan Girl. Poet Toru Dutt, Sita and the Sower. Manmohan Ghosh, poem Can It Be? Sir Aurobindo, poem Rose of God and the Tiger and the Deer. Rabindranath Tagore, Defamation and Little Flute. Sarojini Naidu, Autumn Song and Summer Woods. Unit number 4, My Days a Memoir by R.K. Narayan. So it was the syllabus of semester 3. Now question paper format for semester 3, paper number 3.1. Question paper patterns, that is semester 3, paper number 3.1. So it will be conducted by the university SPPU, Pune University. Time 3 hours, maximum marks 50. Question number 1, background questions on the background and features of literary schools movements, comparison of the schools movements, prescribed authors, any one out of 3 for 10 marks. Question number 2, long answer questions on Raja Rao's Kantapura, any one out of 3, marks 10. Question number 3, long answer questions on Kamla Markande, Nectar in a Sea, any one out of 3, marks 10. Question number 4, short notes on the prescribed poems of Derizio to Naidu, it is unit number 4, any 2 out of 4, marks 10. Question number 5, long answer questions on R.K. Narayan's My Days a Memoir, any one out of 3, marks 10. So this was the pattern, this is the pattern of paper number 3.1, it is for 50 marks and 50 marks evaluation will be conducted by the college So that will be given on your WhatsApp group. I hope you understood today's lecture, that is syllabus of 3.1 subjects of MA part 2nd and the question pattern of 3.1, and we will see you again in the next lecture with the chapter, and have a nice day.